I am back with the case from the guys at Phone Rebel, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So I have the Phone Rebel Air case. And this is a case that I got late last year for the 15 Pro Max and I ended up not reviewing it. However, that's not the case this year, so I'm going to review it this year. So before we get started, have you guys used any Phone Rebel cases before? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's just check this out. So this is their sort of thin case and I really like the look of it because it is very, very well priced, I'll be honest. So there's a little overview. So we've got tactile buttons, we've got a full TPU body added with micro spikes for holding grip. Nice, I like that. Compatible with Magsafe and raised corners for screen protection. So it sounds exactly right up my street. So let's check it out. And of course, this is the black version. Lovely jubbly, that should go well with my little natty. Natural titanium. What I love about this, there's a screen protector in here as well. Typical, because I have just dropped my best screen protectors video for the 16 Pro Max and I've just received this case with a screen protector in it. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave you a link in the description down below, so go and check that out. But we'll just set that to the side. So on the inside, we've got Phone Rebel Air series. And this case, it is a full TPU and it is smooth on the back. So that's no texture to that whatsoever, but on the side here it does have these textured spikes, as they have called it, and yeah, it is very similar to the likes of maybe the Kadabi Synthesis, kind of like that texture, which I am a big fan of. So yeah, the buttons are plastic and so is the camera guard. So let's just weigh this case. 50 grams on the button. Lovely. It's about where it needs to be for this type of case. So we'll just pop this in like so. And yes, that is very, very nice. Very, very nice. So it is quite thin and minimal. And I do really like the feel of that actually on those side bumpers. That's very, very nice. So the buttons are molded. So there's no sort of separate plastic or metal buttons. These are just molded with the same material that the case is made of. And there we go. So we've got our power and our volume and our action button. So let's just test them. Clicky, tactile, responsive. Perfect. Action button. No problem there at all. That's easily usable. And then of course then the camera control button then. So there's our cutout for the camera control. It's smoothed off and it does allow you to get easy access to that button. So if we just double click that, yeah, easily accessible, and the haptics are easily accessible as well. Even if I use two different fingers, you know, two different size fingers there's no problem. So that's what you want to see. Click, click, click. There we go. Bosh. Very, very nice. Goes well with the natural titanium. So let's just check out the fitment then. So if we just take the corners of the phone and we just give it a twist, the phone is secure. It is not going to move whatsoever there. So that is what you want to see. No movement there, which is great. So we just check out the screen nip, and as mentioned previously, you can see there the corners are raised on the display. Now I do have a screen protector on this phone, so it does pretty much come up flush with the sides, but the corners are raised. So if you set that down flat, you are going to get that lift up protection to keep that display off. So if it didn't have a screen protector on there, it definitely would give you a little bit of a lip on the side as well, but because I have a screen protector, it's flush. So, and then if we just check out the camera guard then, so the lenses don't protrude out, the lenses are well recessed, so you will get good set down flat protection there. That's what you want to see. Perfect. The feel of this case with with these textured sides is really, really grippy to hold. Now, even though the back of it is really, really smooth, it doesn't really make a difference to the grip of the case. You know, when you're holding it, I feel like I've got a real good grip of it and it's not going to go anywhere. That's good. That's really good. And of course, it is a Magsafe case, so we can do a Magsafe test. So let's just get our trusty mount and we'll give this a bash and see how the magnets are. Ooh. Yeah, those magnets are not too bad. This stand weighs over 200 grams, so it can take the full weight of that stand, no problem. The stand can take the full weight of the phone. That's what you want to see. And then we'll just do the Magsafe charging test then as well. Not a problem, no issues there at all. Wireless charging is coming through, no problems. That's what you want to see. Perfect. So final thoughts then. This case is very, very nice. Now for its price point, I would highly, highly recommend it. It has really, really good grippy bumpers, and that just equates to having a good phone to hold in your hand. I really can't fault that at all. It does look nice in that black. Now yes, the back of it is smooth and it is maybe going to get roughed up and scraped and all that sort of stuff, but here, that's what cases are for. Cases are there to get scraped so they don't scrape your phone. You know yourself. I really would recommend it. You know, it's got these nice little features, the model of it there, which is Air, which is quite nice, and then we've got the Rebel logo on the top there as well. So it is quite it's quite a minimal case while giving plenty of protection. You know, there's our cutouts for USB-C and our speakers, which is really, really good. I do like that. I really do like that case, and I would recommend it. It is an instant pickup for its price point. I cannot fault that whatsoever. It is 10 times better than a lot of other cases in the same price bracket, so it's no brainer. Pick it up. Must have. As always, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below where you can pick this case up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money, so if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support, much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep locked to the channel. I have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. So keep locked to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Get some air, baby.